Equality between men and women was one of the first things on the minds of the drafters of the UN Charter just after the end of World War II. Is that not striking? We have certainly achieved much since then. The 1995 Beijing Conference in particular was a watershed moment in this regard. The commemoration of its 20th anniversary is the best opportunity for us to show that we remain fully committed to its outcome. Next year, we'll also reflect on our progress in the Women, Peace and Security Agenda, 15 years after it was established by Security Council Resolution 1325. Clearly, we will have to find new strategies to protect women in conflict from violence, in particular from sexual violence. And clearly, we are still far from using the full potential of women as agents of peace. Men have always been in charge of making war, and men have always been in charge of making peace. Their record is not impressive. Women must get their seat at the negotiation table, where they belong and where they are needed. I am grateful to the Secretary General for taking the lead on this issue and increasingly appointing women to high positions in mediation and conflict resolution.